Ertugrul Ghazi is a Turkish historical fiction and adventure television series which recently aired on Pakistani television channels. It is considered one of the best series of its kind. In Turkish, the title of the series is Dirigris Ertugrul, based on the history of the Muslim Oghuz Turks. The story takes place in the 13th century. The series is essentially about the journey and life of Ertugrul Ghazi, who was the father of Osman, who founded the Ottoman Empire. Cast of Ertugrul Ghazi: Engin Altan Duziatan. Engin Altan Duziatan plays the role of Ertugrul Ghazi, the third son of Suleiman Shah and Haimi Hatun. He is also the father of Gunduz Alf Sabki Bey and Osman Ghazi, founder of the Ottoman Empire. This is the central character in the series, one which is loved the most by the viewers. Sardar Gokhan. Sardar Gokhan plays the role of Suleiman Shah, another leading character in the story. He is shown as the leader of the Kai tribe and father of Ertugrul, Gundogdu, Sungur Tekin, and Dundar, grandfather of Osman Ghazi I. He is another popular Turkish actor who has been associated with the field of acting for many years now. Hulia Koral Darkan. Hulia Koral Darkan is playing the role of mother of Ertugrul, Gundogdu, Sungur Tekin, and Dundar. She is seen as the wife of Suleiman Shah and grandmother of Osman Ghazi I in the series. Hulia Darkan was born on April 27, 1951 in Izmir, Turkey. She has been associated with the Turkish drama industry since the 1970s. She has a vast career and Ertugrul Ghazi is one of her best works. Kaan Tasanar. Kaan Tasanar plays the central role of eldest son of Suleiman Shah and oldest brother of Ertugrul. He drives the story forward in more ways than one, although his character is negative. The character growth is bound to keep the viewers involved. Ertugrul Ghazi is his best and latest work. Nurettin Sönmez. Bamsi Verek is one of the most likable characters in the series. Ertugrul Ghazi played brilliantly and Nurettin Sönmez. He plays the most loyal Alf of Ertugrul. He is also the chief guard of Suleiman Shah, Haimi Hatun, and Ertugrul Bey. Isra Biljik. Isra Biljik is well-known Turkish actress and model who plays the role of Halimi Sultan in the series. Halimi Sultan is the wife of Ertugrul and the mother of Gunduz Alf Sabki Bey and Osman Ghazi I in the series. She is shown as a loyal wife in the series and she found hard to protect her tribe. Daidam Balksin. Daidam Balksin plays the role of the adopted daughter and later daughter-in-law of Haimi Hatun and Suleiman Shah. This is another central character in the story. Bursu Kratli. Bursu Kratli plays the role of the adopted daughter of Haimi Hatun and Suleiman Shah. She is the younger sister of Selkan Hatun. She is in love with Ertugrul but never gets to marry him. Her role is positive throughout and the character itself is layered. Handi Subasi. Handi Subasi also plays an important role in the story. In the series, she is the childhood sweetheart and also the first wife of Turgut Alf. She is extremely good with a bow, a strong female character in the story which is liked by the viewers. Kavit Ketin Gunnar. Another central character in the story, Kavit Ketin Gunnar, plays the role of one of the three elves of Ertugrul, together with Turgut Alf and Bamsi Verek, who are blood brothers with him. One thing is for sure, Turkish actors surely know how to completely transform themselves in order to fit the roles that they are playing in any series. Some of the actors are difficult to recognize in real life because their avatars on screen are so convincing. That is also another reason why the beards are immediately transferred to another world. The world which Irtugul Ghazi creates on screen is fictional, but it looks realistic.